I've been gathering a lot of data from the courts to show me where there are intense blockages and where there isn't so much work, and have been thinking through how to release the places where there are blockages. And in gathering that data, I've discovered that there are courts where there are as many as 600 cases. There are courts where there are as many as 1,000 cases. Then there are courts where there are as few as 30-something cases. So those judges with 30-something cases are hardly doing any work, not because they don't want to work, but because the people in the area they are working in are not bringing those many disputes to court. In Adenta, for instance, one high court judge has as many as 550 cases. One has 600 cases. Surely she cannot work effectively. The same for Amasaman. The same for, in fact, Tema has very high cases. Labadi, very high cases. Teshi, very high cases. And so it's become necessary to see how to relieve the load in those courts. And that is what necessitated the afternoon shift courts. So I'm praying that within the next 3-4 months, when we do an evaluation, we will see whether the caseloads have gone down because somebody else has gone to help the judge. As time goes on, it's not going to be a permanent situation in those courts. As time goes on, when the caseload goes down to manageable level, then maybe the second judge will be withdrawn. And if it works very well, this is a pilot. If it works very well, then we will move on to those to other courts that have equally high caseloads. For a place like Obuasi has very, very high caseload.